For over 3 decades, Tradewinds Power Corp has proudly served the power generation industry.
Our company started on April 1st, 1978, and it was always my dad's dream to start his own business. From back then, we have Tradewinds today. We also have Perkins Power Corp up in Jacksonville, Florida. I watched many years all the hard work and effort that he put in to building this company with the great people that he brought on board to help him with his vision, steer this company into the direction that we are today. I'm proud to be in this position. I'm honored with the people that I work with the product that we offer the marketplace, and the name Tradewinds.
Much of Tradewinds' success is due to a business model that focuses on packaging to the needs of their served market.
Principal markets for us are the generator market, the power unit market, the pump market, and the marine market. What separates us from other generator manufacturers is our ability to customize packages. Over the years that we've built up a strong clientele, and I think we've been able to generate a positive word of mouth that has allowed us to grow our business.
Tradewinds distributors have access to a broader range of packaged equipment, which sets them apart from the competition.
A lot of companies can be one-dimensional, and they offer one product line. They may offer it to you as they build it. We offer multiple product lines, but we also customize. So I think that we have an ear to the market and what the market's looking for. I think it kind of differentiates us from other packaging companies. Instead of just giving you what we have, our intention is to give you what you want.
While Florida is the window to the Latin American market, it's also a perfect window to the North American market.
Our origin started in Latin America, and we've been very successful down there. And I've wanted us to try to have more of an impact on the domestic market, and I think we've done a great job over the last 5 years in the state of Florida. And I'm looking for us to expand, our footprint in Florida throughout the rest of North America on the domestic side.
Years of serving the Latin American market own Tradewinds' exporting skills with sales to many different areas of the world.
Aside from the North American market, our main markets are Central and South America and the Caribbean. We've done sales in Canada, we've done sales in China, in the African continent. We've done some sales there as well. So we're not limited to the U.S. market.
Tradewinds values the long-term relationships they've established with their customers and distribution network, and no continued success depends on building upon the trust they have established.
We will do whatever the customer says, whatever the customer needs. We'll engineer it, we'll figure it out, we'll put in the resources, and we'll produce it. Because at the end of the day, it's all about customers.
We want to ensure that the people that we entrust, our dealers out in the field, are able to support that product. Customers and dealers need to know that if the product they buy from us, or really anything that they buy from us, is supported from us. Doing business with Tradewinds, aligning themselves with Tradewinds, is the smart move.
Serving many markets gives Tradewinds a wider perspective of what's required to make a superior product.
Our enclosures, they're marine-grade aluminum, so they won't rust. Our Perkins engines are John Deere engines, very good engine manufacturers, well-known, well-represented. People have not been able to get the power solutions or the power packages that they've sought after. They've been able to come to Tradewinds and really get what they want.
From the beginning, Tradewinds has always been an innovator and not afraid to bring solutions to the market that better meet their clients' needs.
We offer all kinds of different variations of our product. And again, I think we listen very strongly to the market and what the market is looking for. We try to meet, and we do everything we can to guarantee that.
Tradewinds is recognized as a packager of equipment designed and built to meet the demands of the individual needs of their customers. Investments in engineering and production ensure products will continue to meet these needs and have full compliance with existing and pending regulations.
It's one of the advantages of Tradewinds, being able to bring opportunity and applications to the market quickly. Since Tier 1 began, we've been able to meet every one of the challenges. We've met it on time, we've met the applications. Currently today, we have a full line of product throughout the domestic North American market, incorporating UL 2200 across the line And we feel that that's an advantage for Tradewinds moving ahead as we develop more and more the North American market. It's one of the things that Tradewinds prides itself on, is that we build a unit, we build a product it's a flawless product. Overall, in the big scheme of things, the product's built nice, it's built very good. It's a beautiful team, it's a great team, it's a good group of people. It's got a long road ahead of it, so and I plan to be with it.
Tradewinds understands the first sale is made by a sales rep, but repeat business is directly linked to your ability to support the product.
I think anybody can sell you a generator or a pump package or any kind of, let's say, power solution, but can they back that up? Do they have the proper network set up? Do they have their own internal systems properly set to where they can support that product? We're not looking just to, sell you a solution to your power needs and then, be done with you. I'd like to build a long-term relationship. That's how this company was founded, and that's one of our key principles.
Tradewinds Miami facility is one of the several facilities throughout the state of Florida.
Miami is our corporate headquarters and is our largest production shop. And we're able to build a product on spot, on site, that kind of caters to our business models. Our Sebring operation, they tend to build more pump sets because they're Central Florida branch, which tends to cater to the citrus market, so there's a lot of dewatering and things like that. Up in Jacksonville, it's more of a distribution for the Perkins line solely, but they do some assembly up there also. There are some OEMs that they supply engines to that require these engines to be built up to a certain capacity.
While not as big as some other global packagers, Tradewinds has always kept a good brand awareness in their served markets.
This is an amazing group of professionals. We're not a real big company, but we're a close company. We're a tight company. We know what the common goal is, and that, of course, is to grow this company and to be able to provide people with the products that we offer and what we think are some of the best products.
Looking to the future, Tradewinds' investment in people and material resources will sustain and increase their position and share of their served markets.
We're a serious company. We're a family-owned business, so we take things a little more serious. We're not fly-by-night. We're gonna stand and support you. We've seen too many times over the years, too many companies, they're selfish. Maybe they're just thinking about themselves. Maybe they're just thinking about that quick sale, and they're not thinking about tomorrow or even about the product that they sold today. We think about those things. We think about what we're selling you today and how it's going to affect you tomorrow. We're looking for long-term partnerships. We've been around for 34 years. We want to be around for another 34 years, and we hope that the people that align themselves with us and want to do business with us are thinking the same thing about their business and their future.